Hey everyone, I was going to do a quick Typology unboxing video. I've been using a couple of their skincare items for probably the last couple of weeks, almost a month. I had gotten little smaller sample sizes of them, and I just finally bit the bullet and got the bigger sizes, as you can see here. So I was going to do a quick little unboxing video. I just opened this up. Everything together here was about $180. And that is a moisturizer, a mask that I got for free, 2 of the full-size cleansers, and their Purifying Botanical Blend Oil here. And plus you get the free samples, the little small travel size samples there too. But I got all of this, and I actually have to say, this is my unbiased opinion. I am not sponsored by Typology. I love their products, and I have been using it. Like I said, I've been using the Exfoliating Gel Cleanser for about a month. I definitely wanted to get the fuller size of that, the bigger size. And the Purifying Gel Cleanser, I just actually used it. I loved it. I used a little sample of it. I loved the way it made my skin feel. So I ended up buying the large size of that. And then I got the Purifying Face Moisturizer, which I have not used that yet, but I wanted to try it to go with the cleanser. The mask right there. I actually got that for free. If you spend over $100, you get 2 free items, which is one is the little sample packs here, and you get a full-size product or a bag, whichever one they have in stock at the time. But I have to say, I really love their products. I've been wanting to try out their makeup because, of course, like you have probably seen the videos, I don't know how many times, on TikTok and Facebook and on YouTube, of course, everybody talking about the Typology makeup, but I also know those are sponsored videos, so I don't know. I want to do my own review. I want to buy it probably and do my own review, try it out myself. But I can honestly say all the skincare products so far that I've tried from them, I really, really love, and I love the results. I have combination skin, 42. Don't have a lot of aging signs yet, thankfully. I've been trying to take care of my skin all my life. I'm still trying to take care of it and trying, prevention is key. That's the big thing. But like I said, I love these products. I'm going to do another full review video on all of these products once I use everything. So far, I definitely love the Exfoliating Gel Cleanser. It is great if you have combination skin. And the Purifying Gel Cleanser, like I said, I've used it a couple of times now. I really like it. And I'll let you know how the rest of the products go that I haven't used already. But so far, this, like I said, this is my honest review here. Feel free to subscribe and like and comment below. And I'm going to do more videos like this of, no sponsored content. Just doing my honest reviews of the products you see before you. And thank you.